Good morning everyone. Welcome to the SQL Server 2005 End of Support Lifecycle webinar. Today we're going to be talking about numerous things regarding SQL Server 2005 End of Life, what this means for you and what options you have regarding this. About IM Group, also known as Information Management Group. IM Group provides strategies and services for information management that help our clients manage their businesses more intelligently and improve performance. IM Group was formed in 1999, has headquarters in central London, offshore capabilities in Calcutta, India, and extensive public and private sector experience. We have many awards and accreditations. We've been Microsoft's Global Business Intelligence Partner of the Year for 4 years running. We're a Premium Gold certified partner with 6 recognised competencies. We're the only UK preferred supplier to the Microsoft SQL Server product development team. So, to the purpose of this webinar, mainstream SQL Server 2005 support ends today, April the 12th, 2011. But what are your options involving this? Well, Microsoft's official recommendation, and our recommendation as well, is to upgrade to SQL Server 2008 Release 2. Or you can remain on SQL Server 2005 with the extended support, or remain on SQL Server 2005 with the extended support and purchase extended hotfix support, which must be purchased within 90 days of the end of mainstream support, which is July the 11th, 2011. If you need more information on this, contact your licensing provider or Microsoft for a quote. Or you can keep using self-help online support, which is only available for the next 12 months. For example, Books Online, Knowledge Base, etc. So, how does this affect you? Well, the mainstream support phase has come to an end today for SQL Server 2005. This means you can no longer request changes to product design and features. Other non-security hotfixes will only be available if you purchase extended hotfix support. Security updates will still be supported. This is very important to know. Complimentary support from Microsoft included with licensing programs and other non-charge support programs is no longer going to be supported in the extended support phase. Paid support will still exist, and this includes pay-per-incident Premier and essential support. As mentioned before, self-help online support is also still available. This will still give you free access to online content such as knowledge-based articles, online product information, and online support webcasts. You can find out more information about this at Microsoft's Support Lifecycle site, which is support.microsoft.com/lifecycle. Now on to SQL Server 2008 Release 2. This is the most powerful version of SQL Server ever. It has new data analysis features that enhance productivity. Data analysis is one of the core functions of any database system. Users want to be able to access and analyze data to gain actionable insights. SQL Server 2008 Release 2 provides a number of new solutions that provide powerful data analysis and reporting to both developers and to end users. You can now analyze massive amounts of data with Power Pivot for Microsoft Excel and Microsoft SharePoint. This is a reflection of Microsoft's dedication to self-service business intelligence via Excel or via SharePoint. This empowers users to do more, to quickly analyze mountains of data and to extract business insights from this. No IAT assistance is required. It removes the 1 million row limit for Excel worksheets, and users can integrate data from multiple sources. For example, SQL Server and locally stored data, such as CSV files and Excel. Release 2 also introduces Report Builder 3.0, which again has a massive focus on self-service BI and ad hoc reporting. With this, users can create professional-looking reports themselves. It also integrates very smoothly with Microsoft Office for enhanced collaboration. It has centrally managed data assets with master data services. It is highly scalable, and it has simplified management of large-scale deployments. Now you can cost-effectively scale mission-critical environments, which helps you to achieve the highest levels of scalability and manageability for large application workloads. It has support for parallel processing, with SQL Server 2008 Release 2 Parallel Data Warehouse solution. With this, you can reduce cost via a highly scalable appliance-based data warehouse solution. You can scale your data warehouse from hundreds of terabytes to petabytes This also provides advanced data warehouse capabilities, for example star join queries and change data capture, and is tightly integrated with the Microsoft BI stack. SQL Server 2008 Release 2 also has some high availability enhancements to areas such as database mirroring, log shipping, failover clustering, peer-to-peer replication, enhanced backup and restore, and data page checksums, which ensures database data integrity by quickly detecting and restoring database pages. There are also new health and performance monitoring tools, which ensure optimal database performance, such as Resource Governor. This optimizes workloads by controlling CPU and memory resources to ensure that mission-critical database workloads maintain high priority over non-critical database activity and the performance data collector. This reduces complexity and increases IT efficiency by letting database administrators troubleshoot, tune, and monitor all of an organization's SQL Server 2008 Release 2 instances from a central data collection point. There are also improved development tools and features. This includes powerful tools that simplify application creation and increase developer productivity, including LINQ. This increases development efficiency by letting developers build queries directly from within any Microsoft .NET-based programming language. Developers can take advantage of the language they know well instead of having to learn various SQL dialects. There's also a full-text search architecture. This saves time by letting developers issue full-text queries against character-based data in SQL Server tables, by moving the full-text search capabilities from the file system to the database. SQL Server 2008 Release 2 features several enhancements to secure data and audit processes to comply with strict government and corporate regulations. These include transparent data encryption. This protects data by performing real-time encryption and decryption of data within the database and log files. Data is encrypted so that even if the physical media that contains the database and log files was stolen, the data would not be accessible without the proper encryption keys. Also includes SQL Server Audit. This makes fine-grained auditing of actions by specific users and processes against the database objects possible. This capability helps organizations comply with governmental and corporate compliance regulations by tracking what data is accessed and changed by specific users and processes. Finally, in this version of SQL Server 2008 Release 2, the extended support will last into 2019, so there'll be no need to upgrade for quite a long time. So, the new features at the architecture level. The storage engine. SQL Server 2008 Release 2 includes new data types, which support improved temporal support and spatial modeling. Has enhanced data compression, which minimizes redundancy and wasted space. Lower I/O equals better performance, and also data compression includes partition level control. Resource Governor. With Resource Governor, you can implement policy-based limits on incoming requests to resources. You can address runaway queries and unpredictable workload, and you can reconfigure it in real time. Change data capture. With this, you can reliably identify DML activity since the baseline. This eliminates the need to build triggers or modify schemas. It also integrates with SSIS for powerful ETL. There are TSQL enhancements in 2008 Release 2, such as grouping set support, table valued parameters, and the merge statement, which is very powerful. There's also enhanced data warehouse support, such as partition to table parallelism and enhanced star join support. On the integration services side of things, the new features. Integration Services 2008 Release 2 includes significantly improved performance and scalability. There is a new data profiling task, where you can profile things such as candidate keys, column length distribution, null ratios within your data. You can detect patterns within your data, distribution of values, and find and analyze functional dependencies. The new scripting engine also supports C#, so that C# developers no longer have to struggle with .NET if they are not familiar with it. There's also enhanced ADO.NET support, including new source and destination adapters, and supports ODBC destinations. This includes a persisted lookup cache. Any data is supported in the source. There is partial cache support and enhanced star join support. Analysis Services 2008 Release 2 is an improved Business Intelligence Development Studio interface. There is an improved BIDS interface. This increases productivity through best practice design alerts. There are cube dimension and attribute designers, and there is an aggregation designer new as well, which greatly enhances cube performance. There's also enhanced predictive analysis in 2008 release 2 analysis services. There are new enhanced data mining models. There's cross-validation of models for errors and accuracy, and tighter integration with Microsoft Office tools. Resource Monitor. Using Resource Monitor, you can utilize resources on a command-by-command basis. There's better management also of analysis services, server health, and resources. There is enhanced backup functionalities. You can detach databases and attach them. And there's also Report Builder in analysis services. Reporting services. Reporting Services 2008, Release 2. There is enhanced performance and scalability. There are new data sources supported. There is greatly enhanced data visualizations, such as the Tablix, which involves fixed and dynamic rows and columns. And there's also multiple row or column members at each level. There's better SharePoint integration, rich text support, and there's a new thing called Report Designer, which replaces Report Builder. This has an Office look and feel, and shares design services with bids. Here are the various upgrade paths available to you depending on your edition of SQL Server 2005. Just take a moment to read through these. I'll go through the slides slowly. Again, this information is available on the Microsoft website. And also, if you prefer to get a copy of these slides, please email us at info@imgroup.com. So, why are Microsoft and IM Group recommending that you upgrade to SQL Server 2008 Release 2? Well, remaining up to date on your SQL Server version ensures that your product remains supported as per Microsoft's support lifecycle policy. Additionally, your software investment will benefit from the many enhancements, fixes, and security updates provided through the latest releases. As mentioned before, there are powerful new data analysis services such as Power Pivot, Report Builder, Master Data Services, and Stream Insight, which give you powerful tools for standardizing and analyzing large volumes of data, enhanced ad hoc reporting, managing enterprise data centrally, and generating insight from real-time data streams. Again, also there's a very heavy focus on self-service BI for end users. There are scalability and processing enhancements found in SQL Server 2008 Release 2 Data Center Edition and SQL Server 2008 Release 2 Parallel Data Warehouse Edition, which make it possible for you to scale your mission and critical environments for the most demanding database applications. As mentioned before, there are also management and availability features, such as Hyper-V with live migration, the SQL Server Utility Control Point Dashboard, and data tier applications, which reduces management overhead and increases database application availability, whilst also lowering total cost of ownership. So, how can IM Group help you to upgrade to SQL Server 2008 Release 2? Well, IM Group is Microsoft's premier business intelligence partner in the UK and Ireland. We have a track record for delivering best-of-breed information management solutions. We've delivered solutions in the most challenging and demanding public and private sector environments across all sectors. We've successfully deployed in excess of 100 data warehouse solutions to major corporate clients across all industry sectors. We have a project management solution using our Process for Information Management Solutions, also known as PIMS, which we've developed specifically to support the delivery of data warehouse, business intelligence, and performance management solutions quickly and incrementally, using a phased approach. We have a proven ability to deliver successful end-to-end lifecycle projects on time and within budget, even in the most challenging conditions. We have an unparalleled relationship with Microsoft. We have ability to deliver valuable assets, such as our ETL framework, which will significantly reduce the development time of the proposed solution and increase its supportability. We also have the ability to deliver the best BI consultants in the industry at a reasonable cost. Our solutions cover the entire spectrum of structured and unstructured information management. We have a proven track record with many clients, as you can see here. Recently, we upgraded to SQL Server 2008 Release 2 for a major financial services client, which resulted in a 50% increase in cube performance and a major increase in stability. A major media client saw a 30% increase in cube performance with no modifications to the cube. Moving forward, if you're interested in finding out more about how IM Group can help you upgrade to SQL Server 2008 Release 2, please don't hesitate to contact us at info@imgroup.com and someone will get back to you very soon.